Ndiyaphangela ngoku ndiyasebenza manje ndiqashiwe.
So anyway guys, for those who don't know what is going on, Umacele, first wife Baba Msaleko, she has joined Forever Living product business. She will be selling products yaka Forever Living guys. Season 8 people have said a lot in Umacele. Even their husband said Umacele, she's just a piece of furniture guys. She's not doing anything, she's not contributing anything, she's just sit there as a housewife. And people were saying a lot in Umacele, saying what she need to do something with her life, because if something happened to Muslim Saleko, she's gonna suffer because she's very too demanding guys. Do you still remember season 8 she wanted her own house and people were complaining about Umacele, she's not working, the other wives are paying their own bills, she's busy demanding. So guys, right now Umacele decided, you know what, let me make my own money. They are coming back for season 9, so we cannot wait guys to see them, especially Umangwa, because she said uya hamba guys go season 8. So anyway guys, another story, it is a congratulations to second born yaka Vuyo guys. Today is Zulu's birthday, so Vuyo guys posted lapana go Instagram. I haven't seen Musamsaleko posting anything or Sibindi guys. We know that Uspindi obviously he's a father, he did post Mhlope guys if first born yaka Vuyo guys. So anyway guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.